I got this mirror yesterday from StructTube. It's a circle, and it inspired me to want to take some photos with it. And I've been wanting to film a series of how to take your own masterful selfies, and I thought... So this is my prop today. She is a circular white mirror, and I'm just gonna be using it as my bit of inspiration for today's Masterful Selfie series. Welcome to my apartment. Welcome to today's prop. Let's get to shooting. It's kind of cool. Okay, we got some light play here. Never a bad thing. This is totally unexpected to what I thought I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna do something against the wall, but you know, things change. And I'm gonna switch over to screen recording now on my phone and test out this setup and see if I can get some cool shots. So I don't want to end just yet. I want to try a couple where I lay the mirror flat on the ground and then shoot downwards and see if I can come up with a cool reflections. I'm trying a little bit of a different look because if you shoot the same look twice, it can be hard to mix it in the feed because they look exactly the same. So I'm trying something a little different in an effort to double my efforts. Pretty much that's the strategy here. All right. I really hope I don't break this mirror. Okay. I feel a bit like that super narcissistic, I don't know what he's called though. Narcissus, is that his name? But just like, I feel like I'm recreating that portrait. So this is the next scene. Okay, I just finished shooting the second variation of the mirror series. Definitely a whole different mood with the silky dress, the pulled back hair, same glowy makeup, but definitely a different mood. And the plus side of this is that I'm not limited to just having to pick the best one out of both locations. I can pick like two. So having spent a few hours shooting and moving the mirror around, it's just nice to know that I have more options than just choosing one when it comes to the feed, because I don't like to post too many of the same outfit in the same location. So being able to switch it up with different outfits and different hair just really helps me be creative on Instagram. So that's always a tip that I like to share. Like, don't be afraid to switch up your outfits. Like, shoot a little bit, switch the outfit, move on. You're bound to like at least one. Then I'm also going to show you how I edit my photos.
All right, now we're going to jump into editing, and I'm going to quickly show you my process. It starts with choosing a preset to get me started. It gets me closest to the look that I want, and then I go through and tweak it a little bit just so I can really narrow down the editing style that I'm going for, and then I copy my settings and paste it to the rest of the photos from the same set. When I move into the next set, I start all over again. I'll pick the preset that gets me the closest to the look that I'm going for, tweak it slightly, copy the settings, and paste it to the rest of the photos. And in a nutshell, that is my editing process.
And before I go, I have a question for you. Which photo did you like better? White cardigan and white jeans, or tangerine silk dress? Let me know your vote in the comments down below, and I look forward to creating with you next time. Bye! My battery would die just then. My hair is greasy. Okay. Hey!
Hey, I love you too.
I don't know what that means. Anyway.